KineMaster is a video editing tool. There are many apps from KineMaster for different requirements. So you will find an app for mobile and also a solution for PC. It has all the basic features like edit, trim, crop, etc. needed for video editing. Another app that I have tried for video editing on mobile is Montage Pro. It is a premium video editing app for free. I can export my videos without watermark, and this app is completely ad-free. So you get all the premium features for free. They also have PIP feature to make review videos. This app is available on Android only for now. KineMaster is a video editing app for mobile devices and is a complete suite of editing tools. It is a very beginner-friendly app. I use it to edit videos for my YouTube uploads and making birthday wish and anniversary wishing videos. Although you can use it for all purposes, KineMaster is a full-featured video editor for Android. KineMaster has powerful tools that are easy to use, like multiple video layers, blending modes, voiceovers, chroma key, speed control, transitions, subtitles, special effects, and so much more. KineMaster is a very powerful smartphone video editor. I must admit that. Now, to edit an hour video is something I have never tried in KineMaster. The longest I have edited is 34 minutes long footage. Now, it would all depend on your smartphone's RAM, the ability of the chipset to stay calm and not close the software on you. It simply means make sure you are on a good chipset. I'm currently using Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 and KineMaster has never crashed on me before. But back then when I was on a Qualcomm 745, it did crash on me most of the time. Also, make sure your storage space is enough. KineMaster just needs more room to operate effectively. I just can't tell why, but maybe as time goes on the developers would fix it. Okay, so if you have KineMaster and the hour footage, kindly try it yourself. I bet it would if your phone isn't on a low spec. No, you have to purchase their membership to remove the watermark. If you are looking for free video editing app without a watermark, then I recommend Uvita app, the Power Director app. These two apps are best for video editing without a watermark.